Ito female. Ano yun?
Captain America? No.
It looks like Captain America.
It
You
is.
know what I'm doing for Halloween?
Kasunod na.
Captain America.
Ah.
It's not a big
Suot
deal.
mo.
Avenger siya yan.
Letter A.
Suot mo.
Letter A.
America.
But this is Captain.
America.
This is the Captain America, but on the sleeve of the costume it's Avengers.
Oh, yeah.
There's two different
But
A's.
team is like how?
Who's the
Incredible pa rin burina.
Let's see.
Isa pa.
Ay, Kuya Ragul, nakatawag ka niyan.
Maybe I'm with Rocky.
Wait lang.
How about Luna? What's your costume, Luna? Costume.
She said
Yan, princess yan.
Ghostbuster.
Your hand. Put your hand here.
Ay, Melissa niya. Tanak.
Ay, Kuya Ragul, nakatawag.
Era ko niya katawa.
Ay, alalasan na. Ha?
May big muscles ka?
What? Big muscle? Oh my God! Whoa!
Big muscles.
Big mas kabagay
Oh
na?
my gosh!
You look like Incredible Hulk.
Wow!
Incredible.
Ayusin mo natin. Ayusin mo natin.
Wow.
Ayusin mo.
Wow!
Wow, ang gatal.
Pangkaya yan, pang winter yan.
What?
Timmy,
You know, Mama Lorna, do you know what I can be for Halloween?
Timmy, show your muscle.
Yeah. What you
Let's see. Let's see your muscle.
Ghostbuster!
Kabagay na pala nung matabay times. Ne? Oh, ne? Ah?
Oh, you're so strong.
Incredible your chest.
What?
Yeah, bulky.
Nagmula?
Yan niya kayabang.
Kaya bang...
Pag-butsia pa lang yan eh.
Wow!
Hindi pa pwede eh. Pwede eh. Opo dito.
Oh, where's your money? Money.
Maybe you
Oh,
just...
you pay Mama Lorna. You pay Mama Lorna. You pay Mama Lorna. Where's your money? Utang muna. Utang muna. Utang muna. Fake money.
How much did you pay?
Ba, mura din
How much
equality
did you
ba?
pay?
Four?
5?
Five?
Oh,
Mura na yan.
That's a big
Oh.
deal still.
oh, yeah.
Apollo. Apollo.
$4 siya mo.
$4.
$4?
Basta Apollo na
Kasi
yan.
masasalita costume.
Wow.
Right? Like $20. Yeah.
20. Mga to.
Ay, Captain America.
Ay, naman ko biya to yan. Spider-Man. Rata mo pa niya na Ate Michelle. Ah, Spider-Man. Pirate. Ate niya pa pirate.
And
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
I don't think we Okay, yeah.
Ah,